Hello guys! Welcome back na naman sa akin channel. Para sa araw na to, ang ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon ay ang kantang Kahel na Langit by Maki. Pero bago tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe sa akin channel, please subscribe at paklik mo na rin yung notification bell para lagi kang updated kapag meron akong bagong upload. Simulan na natin. So, super dali niya lang tugtugin dahil wala tayong gagamitin na kahit anong bar chords, pero gagamit tayo ng kapo, ilalagay natin siya sa 3rd fret. So, ang mga chords na gagamitin natin para sa intro, verse hanggang chorus ay D, A, G. Bali, pa-play mo yan ng 3 times at pagkatapos ay E minor at A. At yung gagamitin natin na strumming pattern para sa intro, verse at chorus ay kapag D at A, down, 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 up. At kapag G, E minor at A, yung kanyang strumming pattern ay down, down, up, down, 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 up. So, ganito siya. Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. Then ulit. Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. Then isa pa. Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. So, ganito siya kapag tinugtog ng mabilis. So, ganun yung strumming pattern niya para sa intro, verse, hanggang chorus. At pagdating natin sa chorus, may isang chord lang na madadagdag. Ito ay D. So, yung strumming pattern niya ay isang down strum lang. Ganito. So, kapag tinugtog natin yung chorus ay ganito siya. 1, 2, 3, go! Last D. Then pagkatapos ng chorus ay instrumental na. At para naman sa instrumental, yung mga chords na gagamitin natin dyan ay G, D, A, at G. So yung strumming pattern natin dito ay kapag G, down, down, up, down, 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 up. At kapag D at A, down, 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 up. At kapag G naman is down, down, up, down, 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 up. So, ganito siya. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. So, ganito naman siya kapag tinugtog ng mabilis. So, ganun lang tugtugin ang kantang Kahel na Langit. Kaya kung nagustuhan mo, please like and share this video. Maraming salamat po sa panonood and enjoy!